I'm at the Welland Canal, Port Colborne, Ontario, on Lake Erie, and I'm doing some ship spotting. Here's the first one, a pretty good size lake freighter with a classic bridge forward design. Not many of these left. Look at this one. I've never seen one quite like it before on the Great Lakes. It's a cruise ship. Wow. Viking Polaris with a parabolic bow. Nice. All right, let's take a little stroll down this promenade, or promenade, whatever you prefer. It is a nice little pathway along the Welland Canal. In the distance, you see the lift bridge. And up on the left, we've got a bunch of restaurants and interesting shops. It's nicer here in the summer, as you can well imagine. And some more smaller boats moored here. Some kind of working tugboat, I suppose. I don't know what they do. Here's one called the J.W. Cooper. I wonder what it does. It says pilot on the side, so I guess I'm not sure what it does, but it leads the way, apparently. Bridge looks stuck. Okay, now I'm going to walk back the other way, the way that I came from. And I am walking now toward Lake Erie. Here's a stern view of those two smaller boats that we looked at earlier. And a different view of this Great Lakes cruise ship. It's like a mini version of one of these big ones that you'd see on the ocean. Like, I'm trying to think of name of one. Odyssey of the Sea or something like that. But nonetheless, it's a good-sized boat. And as I look at these two ships, I can't help but notice the contrast of bow technology. The freighter having, an old design that's kind of knife-like that cuts through the water, compared to this cruise ship, which has what I think they call an X bow or a parabolic bow, and it just reacts differently in the water. It doesn't slice through in the same way. It has some kind of efficiency, and I don't know technically what that is, but it certainly is a more advanced design of bow. I hope you enjoy this ship spotting as much as I do. I love ship spotting. Well, that's what I'm calling it anyhow. I've been fascinated with ships since I was a child, and it was in fact the Great Lakes freighter that was the first kind of ship to be the object of my fascination. And who knows, I may have seen this very ship here when I was a child. My parents used to take me down to the Welland Canal when I was a child, and we would watch the ships go through. And when you're a child and you are looking up close at such a large moving object, it's just fantastical. Here's another look at that forward bridge. Well, it's a blustery and gloomy day, but I sure do enjoy looking at this mini-me version of a cruise ship. I hope you enjoyed it.